everybody, Tracy here showing you what is in our gorgeous new Reindeer Pals Stamp and Colour kit. Is our Christmas kit and is a beautiful kit with this gorgeous stamp included in the kit. This stamp retails on its own for $24 and you also get the fussy cutting die which is $24, so that is a grand total of $48 worth of product and you're only paying $39 for this kit. So let's take a look at this stamp. I'll read you the saying. Say, you are my favourite present. Oh dear, Christmas is here. How Rudolph, crunchy as a pretzel and love you dearly. Such a cute little stamp. And the die. This is the Reindeer Pals book and we'll take a flick through the book in just a minute. What else is in the kit is some card bases and envelopes, some cute little metal caps. There are 2 lots of cardstock here, so this is textured cardstock. This is some Copic blending card, and these are the beautiful papers. These are double-sided papers. We've printed them on different cardstock this month, and they have a kind of like a semi-gloss sheen to them, and they are much nicer. Beautiful cardstock to work with. Super happy with how these have turned out. And yeah, your card makers are going to love them. Beautiful, just little designs. And so the paper pack is worth $10, so you are getting great value with this kit. Okay, oh, it's all sliding everywhere. Let's just, let's actually, before we look at the book, let's look at the add-ons. So this is one of the add-ons dies. This is the Reindeer Pals actual stamp, which has got these cute little stacked reindeers, and it says fairy lights on Christmas nights, and of course the matching fussy cutting die. This is a bit more of a traditional one. It's got the little angels on there, which are really cute. The stars are brightly shining, and joy to the world, so cute little angels. And of course, the fussy cutting die. And there's actually one more this month. We're adding a Christmas sentiment stamp to our Essentials collection. And I'll quickly read those out for you. May your Christmas be wrapped in the blessings of His love. May the miracle of Christmas fill your heart with joy. Christmas blessings to you and your family. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. All is calm, all is bright. 'Tis the reason for the season, the most wonderful time of year. Merry and bright, Happy New Year, and jingle all the way. Now with the fussy cutting die, these gorgeous ones at the top, the Joy to the World, Oh Holy Night, and Merry Christmas, have the fussy cutting dies to cut them out. And then these ones here are some banners and some little labels we have made to fit on those guys. So that is the gorgeous new Christmas sentiment stamp. The 2 dies that we have this month, there is this one here, which is the gorgeous little fairy lights border and the little stacked trees there. And this here is the stitched arches, which is replacing our cross stitch arches, which we have now retired. Our DT loved the cross stitch arches, so we've given them a new one. We've also added in a little Christmas bauble in there and the snow globe base. So if you do want to make snow globes, you can, but of course our DT will use this one all year round. So both of these add-on dies are $22 each, and all of our stamps are $24, and all our fussy cutting dies are $23. Let's take a look at some of the ideas. Look at this gorgeous little card by Ashley Preston. Lots of cute little ideas in the book. There are plenty more ideas the girls have made and some amazing guest designers have made, which will be going up over the blog. We blog post every single day, so jump by our website and check out the blog. Lots of ideas, all of the Copic colours or the Prismacolors or whatever the girls have used to colour will be up on the blog. So you will find loads and loads of inspiration. Even if you don't get the kit with this book, there'll be more and even more. So there you go, that's how you use that die as a snow globe. How cute. I love those angels. So beautiful. Our DT have done a great job once again. Now we do have an Aussie Christmas stamp set coming in November, and it is our mini kit, and we are going to release it a little bit early. Normally we release on the 15th and ship on the 20th. We're going to release on the 10th and ship on the 15th for the November one, which is our Aussie Christmas set. So that's coming. We've got all of these gorgeous reindeers and traditional Christmas as well to get your Christmas cards happening, and we hope you really love this collection as much as we do. Our illustrators have drawn all these images. They're fabulous and they're exclusive to us, and we hope you appreciate how much work goes into creating something like this for you guys. Thank you so much, and we'll see you soon. Thank you, bye.